Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an owl whistle with your left hand, okay? So make them like this, and I'm going to put them on my right hand. Then we're going to go like this, like hugging. You see my thumbs? You're just going to put them down like this until you hear this noise. It'll take a little practice, but yeah, it took me like 3-4 days because I kept on. This is how I was when I first did it. Then I saw how I did it, then I kept